Hi everyone! Today we will learn together why do we use possessive pronouns and the types of them. First, we use possessive pronouns to show our possession or ownership of someone or something. They indicate that something belongs to a particular person and no one else. They also can be used instead of a noun phrase to avoid repetition. There's two types of possessive pronouns: independent possessive pronouns and dependent possessive pronouns. Let's explain each. Independent possessive pronouns. These pronouns can stand alone, in which they don't need a noun in a sentence for it to make sense. Look at the examples here. These books are mine. The house is theirs. As you can see, both mine and theirs stands alone. These pronouns usually come at the end of a clause or a sentence. Dependent possessive pronouns. They require a noun next to them for the sentence to make sense. Without the noun, we wouldn't know what the possessive pronoun is referring to. For example, is that your coat? This is his shirt. Your is followed by the noun coat, and his is followed by the noun shirt. So without these nouns, the sentence doesn't make sense, and these pronouns are also called possessive adjectives. Check the difference in this example. This pen is my pen, not your pen. This one sounds repetitive, right? Whereas this pen is mine, not yours. Here it sounds natural. So sometimes it's better to use the independent possessive pronouns. Here's a list of both types of possessive pronouns. Dependent possessive pronouns are my, your, his, her, its, their, our. And the independent possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, and ours. But be aware, there is no use of its as an independent possessive pronoun. Let's see how do we use these pronouns correctly. For the personal pronoun I, the possessive pronoun is mine. So to say that I own this car, we would say this car is mine. For the personal pronoun you, the possessive pronoun is yours. Like if you want to say that you own this shirt, you would say this shirt is yours. Or in the question form, is this shirt yours? Now for he, we use his. For example, instead of saying he owns this dog, it would be easier to say this dog is his. And it is the same with hers if we are talking about a girl. And for the personal pronoun they, we use the possessive pronoun theirs. So to say that a song belongs to a group of people, we would say this song is theirs. Finally, for the personal pronoun we, the possessive pronoun is ours. As in this example, the project they accepted belonged to us. We would say instead, the project they accepted was ours. Is it clear now? Good. This was all for today. Thank you.